Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel on how to succeed with solo ads part 8. Now in the previous part 7 of this training tutorial series, we saw how to design a squeeze page, what is the function and the importance of a squeeze page, and how to build a squeeze page with most comprehensive and the most economically priced software, which is Leadpages. Now, if you have not got Leadpages account, then please check my affiliate link in the description box below in order to get your 14 days free trial of Leadpages. Now, this 14 days free trial is to maneuver around the Leadpages software and get used to the features and functions of the Leadpages. And from there, you can move on to the paid plan. Now you can always go for the standard plan, which is around $49 per month if you go for the monthly plan. And if you really have the budget and in the long haul of this email marketing business, then please go for the annual plan. Now, in this training tutorial series, part 8, we are going to see what is a bridge page and what is the importance of the bridge page in our email marketing business. Now, what is a bridge page? A bridge page is a pre-sale page. Now you might get a question, what is the function of a pre-sale page? Imagine if you're a beginner and you're trying to sell a product, and after the opt-in page or the squeeze page, the visitor is taken directly to the sales offer page. Now, if in the sales offer page, if you're able to understand what they're trying to promote you or what they're trying to sell to you in less than 10 seconds, then you don't need a bridge page. If the answer is no, then you definitely need a bridge page. Now, you might get a question, what should be the content on the bridge page? The answer is simple. You need to show your face and put out a video sales letter in order to build your know, like, trust factor. Now, you might not want to show your face on this video sales letter. But guys, remember, when it comes to email marketing, in order to build your know, like, trust factor with your subscribers and eventually promote mid and high ticket offers to your subscribers and get sales from them, you need to show your face. And that's how you build your know, like, trust factor with your subscribers. Because whenever your subscribers are used to you, see your face, and whenever you try to promote them with different offers, only if you build a trust factor, they are going to buy from you. What kind of information and what kind of software do we need in order to build our bridge page? Now, to answer the software that you require, I would say there are so many softwares available out there like the Loom, Vimeo, but I would recommend you to go for OBS Studio, and it is free. You can just Google it and download it from Google and then install it and then do the necessary settings, and you can straight record a video. Now, next question comes, what kind of content do I put on this video sales letter? Now, in this video sales letter of this bridge page, you need to talk about who you are and what is your background story and how long have you been on this online journey, and always share stories because people connect with stories, and make sure that the video length is less than 5 minutes in general. Always focus on the outcomes of the sales offer page in the bridge page, especially like how they can quit their 9-to-5 job, and also how they can live the laptop lifestyle, and how they can go on a vacation and all those stuff. Always try to concentrate on the outcomes that the sales offer page is going to give you, and also the emotions, because that will help you in converting the visitor from the bridge page to the sales offer page. Now, below this video sales letter, always have a button where you can guide your subscribers just to move on to the sales offer page. Now, let me show you how to build a bridge page using Leadpages software. Now, this is my Leadpages account. Now, go and click on create new landing page over here. This is the landing page that we have created, which is the squeeze page. Now, go and click on create new landing page for creating a new bridge page. Now type in blank, click on start building, type in the name. I'm just entering it as bridge page and today's date. Now click on continue. Now this is the UI which you have seen yesterday, similar to the one yesterday. Now go to the widget section. Now over here you can see the video element, and now click and drag and drop it over this area. Now you can see the drop here, blue color thing appearing. Just drop over here. Now this is the video element space. Now just click once inside this video element. Now you can see here the embed code. Now this embed code can be taken from your recorded video which you have either uploaded it on YouTube or Vimeo. So for this example, I have uploaded my recorded video on YouTube. For example, just for an example, this is my YouTube channel, and here you can see this video over here. Now I'm just going to click on share, and over here you can see the embed button. Click on the embed button. Now just copy it and then go to the embed code over here in Leadpages. Now just paste it and click on save. Now you can see this video from YouTube which has been embedded into this page, bridge page. Now click on close, and below this BSL you can just insert a button over here just to make sure that your subscriber from here, visitor, clicks on the button, and from this button he moves straight to the sales offer page. So just click and drag and drop this button right over here. Now you can see the button over here. You can just click on it and you can just make sure that it is full width, and you can just enter it as click here to access. So this will look something similar to this. Now inside this button, after entering the click here to access, now you can just click on the add click event, and you can link to an external URL or link to a landing page. In this case, we can link to an external URL, and you can enter the sales offer URL over here, sales offer page URL over here, and you can always enter it as open in a new window. So that's how you are going to build a bridge page, and from the bridge page we are integrating it to the sales offer page. After that, you can always click on the publish button to publish this. So that's how you build a bridge page using the embed code from your YouTube video. Now, if you're a complete beginner, then I would seriously recommend you to go for the YouTube, where you can use the OBS Studio recording and upload them into your YouTube. And at the same time, you can get the embed code from your YouTube video and use that in your bridge page. Or you can use Vimeo free plan, where you can also use the subtitles and all those stuff, and Vimeo paid plan is also there, but I would not recommend you to use that. But the best option would be to use YouTube. Now the next important one is what should be the content length or the video length. I always recommend you to use videos of less than 5 minutes in general. If you're going to use something around 10 to 15 minutes, then it will lower your conversion rate. Now, what do you mean by lower your conversion rate? Now, suppose if you have 1,000 clicks coming onto your squeeze page and your opt-in rate is 50%, then 500 persons will visit your bridge page. And if you have a video length of less than 5 minutes, and if your message is very clear and crisp and to the point explaining the outcomes of this sales offer page, then you might get a good conversion rate. And if your video length is more than 10 and 15 minutes long, then you might get a conversion rate of 15 to 20% from your bridge page. So always try to make the video as short as possible. If possible, always be less than 5 minutes in general. that will give a good chance of getting you around 50 to 60% conversion rate from the bridge page to the sales offer page. So that's all for today on bridge page. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos where I'm going to dive deep into our email marketing business. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification in order to get your very first notice whenever I upload my videos. So with that being said, let's meet in the next part of this training series. Until then, bye.